comes to the comparing of the fraction, you have to keep in your mind two rules. The first rule is smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Okay, and the second rule is you have to get the equivalent fraction, which is a common multiple of the denominator. So come now, let's do compare and put appropriate sign. The first one is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. So what was our first rule? Smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. 2 is small in number. So obviously 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. The next one 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. Our rule is smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. But that's not possible here because find the least factors here. You have got 1 by 2. The simplest form is 1 by 2 when you cancel this, right? So what you have got 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Both are equal. So before comparing the fraction, you have to keep in your mind, you have to find the simplest form. And the third one is 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay, we can apply our rule. What? The smaller denominator, greater is the fraction, right? So 2 by 3, denominator 3 is small. Obviously 2 by 3 is greater. But now let's check for that. If you have some confusion, you can go for checking. How? You have got here 5 and 3 different denominators. So when you get different denominators, what do you have to do? Find the LCM, right? 5 3s are 15. That's because 5 and 3 doesn't have any common factors. Only one has a common factor. So 15 is the LCM. In order the denominator to become 15, what do you have to do? You have to multiply with 5, right? Here also 5. And 5 in order to become 15, what you have to multiply with 3. Here also 3. So the fraction is 9 by 15. Here the fraction what you get? 5 2s are 10. 10 by 15. So 9 by 15 or 10 by 15 is big. 10 by 15 is big because same denominators. Then you have to go for the comparison of numerator. That is 10 by 15 is big. So our rule is applied. Here is correct, right? So next one 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. Okay, now just look for the denominators. 4 is small in number, but you have to find what? The simplest form. So what happens? 4 and 4. You have got same denominator. So which is greater here? 3 by 4 is greater. You have to just compare the numerator, right? Again 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. You have got same denominator. So it's so simple, right? Which is big in fraction? 6 by 5 is big in fraction. Okay, the next one 7 by 9 and 3 by 9. You have got same denominator here, right? So which is big numerator? That is 7 by 9. Okay, 1 by 4 and 2 by 8. Okay, you just can apply the rule here. That is smaller the fraction, denominator, greater the fraction. But you have to go for the simplest form. So again 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So which you have got same, right? So that is equal to. Okay, that's all.